Hey, this is Nat, and we're off our couch in Orlando, Florida, home to numerous theme parks, and we're in an indoor attraction today, Crayola experience within the Florida Mall, which is hard to believe, at least for me, because this attraction is huge. The website states it's bigger than a football field, 70,000 square feet to put that in numbers. So yeah, Crayola experience is enormous and jam-packed with entertainment, activities, and shows, so there is a lot to do. There are over 20 hands-on attractions, and we will aim to get through the attractions included in general admission and show the extra attractions that cost an additional amount. In the cafe and the store, we have a busy day ahead of us and a fun day too. This is our first time visiting. I'm excited, London's excited, and the kids are excited too. I am so ready to color. How about you all? But we'll talk discounts first before the coloring, as we love to do. If we can save money and pass the information on to you so you can save money as well, we want to definitely do that. And if you enjoy travel, fun, and discounts, be sure to subscribe, keep getting off the couch with us, and sign up for our monthly newsletter too at offourcouch.com. We deliver travel stories and tips right to your inbox. The sign up link is also in the description box. Okay, discounts. If you're purchasing general admission tickets, there is a discount, $3 off per ticket online currently. Crayola Experience also has annual passes, which are a great value in my opinion, and offer some great perks. They also offer annual pass family packs, extra savings if you purchase more than 3 annual passes. And Crayola Experience even offers free annual passes, and that's a perk all by itself. Teachers, military, law enforcement, firefighters, and EMTs qualify for free annual passes. And I'll be sure to include the website link in the description box below so you can see all of the details. As a vet, London has his free annual pass, which entitles him to 20% off food, merchandise, and tickets, as well as other perks. Okay, so we have our discounts. Hopefully you all should have your discounts worked out too. Let's get this coloring started. There is way more to do than just color though, as you'll quickly discover. We'll first start out at Cool Moves. This is downstairs where we purchase our tickets and or annual passes. And this is where you become a dancing crayon. The crayon mirrors your every dance movement or whatever movement you happen to be doing. We're going to leave the dance floor though, so we can scan our passes and tickets and enter into the rest of the attraction. Once we scan our admission, we receive a bag to hold all of our colorful goodies that we'll be making upstairs, plus 2 tokens for activities and a voucher for our washable pet, which we'll receive at Scribble Scrubbie. Head upstairs with us now as we eagerly walk to wrap it up. At Wrap It Up, we can choose our crayon color, create our own crayon name, and then wrap it ourselves. Personalizing a crayon requires 1 token, and remember you get 2 with admission. And once you feed that token into the crayon machine, basically we have our own crayon factory. I am now in the process of making the official Off Our Couch crayon. You see I get to choose an image before I start personalizing the crayon. My daughter, the official crayon wrapper of Off Our Couch, is wrapping the crayon. She is a pro because we've already wrapped 6 crayons prior to this. Although admission includes 2 tokens, you can purchase additional tokens at 50 cents each. The machine accepts $1 bills and $5 bills and does not give change. So although they're 50 cents a piece, you're spending at least $1. It's $1 well spent in my opinion because I love personalizing these crayons. And now I present to all of you, my fellow travelers and explorers, the official Off Our Couch crayon. All coloring pertaining to the business will be handled by this crayon for now and into the foreseeable future. It also serves as a reminder to follow us on Instagram and use hashtag #OffOurCouch and show us where you like to get off your couch. Another attraction where you can spend your token or extra tokens. In our case, is modeling madness. Gather inspiration from the directions on the table or do your own thing and create and color Crayola's Model Magic compound to make your own masterpiece. In between Wrap It Up and Modeling Madness is the schedule of the shows. There are announcements concerning the show times, but you could be elbow deep in modeling compound, paint, or crayons. So I recommend taking a look at the schedule, maybe snapping a picture of it if you want to make sure that you see the shows. We're attending the Crayon Factory show now to learn how crayons are made. Lots of interesting facts are revealed during the show as they take us guests through the molding, inspecting, labeling, and packaging process of Crayola crayons. And at the end of the show, we're going home with a fresh, brand new, shiny red crayon, which will also be used for official business coloring. I've talked so much about coloring already. Let's check out Bluetiful now. How much coloring can we do with this crayon? I think I can get all my business and personal coloring done with this massive crayon. 1,352 pounds and 15.6 feet long. Wow. I would have loved to see this crayon made during the Crayon Factory show. We are heading now to Silly Selfies. Silly Selfies lets us create a digital mask and choose between a lot of wacky combinations. There are over 6,000 possible combinations, and once you're done, find your wacky combination on the big screen. This is so much fun. Like the Wrap It Up station, this is a repeat activity for the kids and I. We even snuck and created a couple more while we were at the Rockin Paper station because it's right beside Silly Selfies. At Rockin Paper, you choose a craft. We all have frogs except for my daughter who insisted on finding a fairy. We color both halves. Yay, I am finally coloring. And then we put the halves together. Once our craft is completed, we'll take it to the stage to dance. My frog's already dancing though. Look at those moves. This is when my daughter and I snuck back to Silly Selfies because we had to wait for my son and London to finish their creations before we could hit the official stage. The wait for the show is worth it though. I think this may be the coolest performance I've ever seen. Do you all see my frog? The one in the center killing it. My frog is the one in the group that leaves the group and goes on to have a stellar career with 50 Grammys, 10 hit albums, the Super Bowl performance. Yeah, that's me. That's my purple and yellow frog. I'm so proud. I can't stay here too long and brag because we have so much more to create and do. In Kaleidoscope, you do the moving and dancing and you create the work of art with your body. The email aspect of it didn't work during our visit, which is unfortunate because my son is doing a great job with his body of art. It is showtime again. We're heading back to the Crayon Factory for another show, Chaos and Creativity. This time around, we're watching an animated show about using your creativity no matter what. After the show, we head to Be a Star, where we have the chance to get creative ourselves and put yours truly in our own coloring pages. My son and I are having a blast trying to hit the button and then get back into the scene with the right pose in time. I'm not really good at this at all, as you can see. I didn't like any of my coloring pages. I think London's coloring page turned out really well. We're on to Create and Play, Crayola's app. This is our chance, our 15-minute chance to try the Crayola Create and Play app, a fun and educational subscription app. And if you, your kids, or anyone else in your group likes it, you can have this with you at all times, right on your phone or tablet. New games and activities are added each month, and it comes with a 7-day free trial, which is pretty interesting because I didn't even know about this app, and my kids really seem to like it, based on all of the laughter and giggles I hear. There's a lot of laughter and giggles going on behind me too, because that is the color playground. Color runs tall in this playground designed for ages 5 to 12. Those are like some beautiful sized crayons in this play area. And look how high up the kids are. There's also a playground for the little ones too. Toddler Town is right over there. And the giant light board is right there as well. And fun for all ages is right in the middle of all of the colorful mayhem, the Colossal Caddy. The Colossal Caddy has thousands of crayons to choose from as you color, and quite a few different coloring sheets too. What's cool about Scribble Square is that you don't even need paper to draw, and it's okay. You can pick up the chalk and scribble anywhere you please in this chalk-loving neighborhood. My kids are beyond the age now where they scribble on walls, the leather seats in my car, but I'm certain there are plenty of guests ecstatic about gaining their scribbling freedom. The snack shack is right here too. There are 2 places to eat and drink within Crayola experience. There's also Café Crayola, which we'll be eating at in a few. On the back wall is Think Outside the Box, which shares stories of how different Crayola products came to be. So now we're heading to the activity my daughter has been waiting for. Not too impatiently though, because everything has been so much fun thus far, but she wants her toy. And we have a voucher for a free reusable Scribble Scrubbie, a washable pet, either a dog or a cow. So with admission, you walk out with crayons, modeling clay, and a cute colorful pet. Not too bad. That's pretty cool actually. The dog or the cow is free with the voucher. Of course, Crayola does sell other Scribble Scrubbie pets too. Okay, let's move next door to You Design. Here you personalize a fashion outfit or car and then take it for a run on the big screen. First step is picking your coloring page and then coloring it. And once you've personalized your car or outfit, you can then scan it, add your visual effects, and watch your creation come to life. Check out that Dadmobile. Pretty cool. I love how Crayola Experience brings technology into so many of these activities, like this one here and Rockin Paper. You're coloring and cutting, using your own imagination and creativity to entertain yourself, and then the technology adds an extra pop. It's mixing old school with new school. I think it's awesome. Once you're all done with your customizations and design work, now it's time to sit back and brag on your finished product. Stomp and Play is next. This interactive game floor is really popular. As soon as the floor empties, a new group of stompers shows up in a matter of seconds. The floor rotates through a variety of games. We have one last show to get in, and we'll multitask here and do a 2-for-1 since this show is in Café Crayola and we are starving by now and there's no way we're leaving. There's so much left for us to do and we're having such a great time. We got here just in time to order food because the cafe closes before Crayola Experience. Something to keep in mind if you don't want to leave Crayola Experience to grab food. You can do that, by the way. The mall has a food court and you can go further out too. We are pressed for time if we're going to finish the rest of the activities available, so we're eating here. And what we're looking at now are the items available at Crayola Cafe, and London is going to use his annual pass discount to order us all a pizza. How nice of him. While we wait for our pizza, we're watching this show titled Silly Show. It's about the accidental creation of Silly Putty. I feel like it's something that just could play on repeat while you're eating. It's not really a show. And since it's on a TV in the cafe, it's hard to hear. The story is really interesting, but it'd be nice if they just repeated it over and over so you could catch different parts of the show while you're enjoying your meal. And enjoying our meal is exactly what we're going to do because our pizza is here. And it is delicious. I'm shocked I'm saying this, but I love this pizza, especially the crust. It's really, really soft, kind of airy. It's really good, and everyone agrees. I'm surprised to have pizza this tasty at a tourist attraction. And filling too. I can't get through the second slice, which is disappointing because it is so tasty. We will get back to the activities now. Like I said, we're on a tight schedule. We're going to start coloring again at Texture Crayze, where we can make our own crayon rubbing art. And there's the Activity Studio, which offers different themed projects throughout the year. Also in this area is Paint Palette, and Paint Palette has different themed projects throughout the year too. Brushes and paint strips are on just a few tables in this area. So once I secured the paint for us and my son found some water, we're able to start our painting projects and then move them through the drying oven. You can actually watch your creation as it makes its journey through the drying process and then quickly get into position to catch it from falling when it comes to the end of its toasty adventure. On to our next project. We're in line right now for drip art. And once we get to the front of the line, we can choose two colors. I'm choosing my two favorite colors, purple and yellow, for my swirly crayon wax work of art. It's one crayon, one color at a time, purple first, and we can control the speed of the swirling and whirling, and we can look over and see what's happening with the color and pattern. Time for round two. It's yellow's turn, and this is where it gets interesting, and you can start to see the blending. Let's see what we got. All of our projects look really cool, actually. Which one is your favorite? My feelings won't be hurt if you don't pick mine. Okay, so we're back in line again, this time for melt and mold. At melt and mold, we choose a crayon color, and we also choose a template. Then we sit back and watch the beautiful crayon melt. You can actually see the wax dripping bit by bit. I didn't see this in drip art. Maybe I wasn't looking closely enough. It's really awesome to see the crayon transforming into something else. And now we have some new sharp friends and more souvenirs from our visit today. Before we close out our day here at Crayola Experience, we're going to dance and play in the most colorful and flexible rain over at Rainbow Rain. And wow, I think we're done now. Whoa, that was a lot of coloring. Can you believe there's still more you can do here too? We covered everything, I believe everything that was included in general admission, but there's also the trading post where you can mine for gems, play games, and make wax hands too, just to name a few activities. There is no way we had enough time to get to that. The 20+ engaging, fun, and artistic activities within this gargantuan attraction is a full day's worth of fun. And as we exit, we'll lead through the gift shop, of course, and the gift shop has everything. All the coloring supplies you would need, painting supplies, the Scribble Scrubbies we talked about before. And if you spend $50 within the Crayola store, which is not hard to do at all, everything is so cute in here and colorful. But if you do spend $50, you get a free ticket to Crayola Experience. We did pick up a few new art supplies, but we managed to not get too much because we're already walking out of here with a bag full of goodies. Look at how much stuff we have. Time to go home and decorate, right? Thanks so much for getting off the couch with us and enjoying this full day at Crayola Experience Orlando with us. Tell us, please, if you're planning a visit to Crayola Experience or you're looking forward to a particular activity or show. We would love for you to share with us and tell us what you are looking forward to. If you've already visited, tell us your favorite activity. My favorites were Rainbow Rain, Silly Selfies, and Rockin Paper. Still gushing over my Megastar Frog. But we want to hear your favorites, please, below in the comments. Sign up for our newsletter on our website, offourcouch.com. The link is also in the description box. We deliver travel inspiration and tips right to your inbox. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Medium for travel inspiration and travel information throughout the week. Also, we would love to formally invite you all to our hometown, Jacksonville, Florida. We're spending a day in downtown Jacksonville, sightseeing, eating, and getting to know the vibrant brewery scene in Jacksonville by interviewing the head brewer at Ruby Beach Brewing and tasting a lot of different beers. It is going to be a delicious, fun, colorful time there too. So please join us off the couch next video. That will be this upcoming Saturday. A new adventure comes out every Saturday. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Keep joining us off the couch. Thanks so much for joining us here in Orlando, Florida at Crayola Experience. Thank you again another time for getting off the couch with us. We appreciate all the likes, the shares, the comments, the feedback, the suggestions, all of the interactions, and all of the support make these adventures possible. So thank you. Until next week, click on the video to see another one of our experiences. Thanks for watching.